Hi, this is our tutorial for using Benchmark Advanced. This is our language arts curriculum. Go to CNUSD website, click here to My CNUSD. Here it's going to ask you for their password, which is their lunch number, and the password that they use. I'm sorry, the username, which is their lunch number, and the password is the same they use here at school. If they forget it, please message me, or you can look inside their red folder. Please go down here to pre-K through 5th, and then you're going to go to your Benchmark Universe. Gonna click on that. Sometimes it'll be a black screen and you have to sign in with Clever. It'll say on there sign in with Clever. You go to the grade level, grade 2, and we are on unit 1 right now. Just to show you this example. Also, if you have other students, other children in different grade levels, you have access to their resources as well. Click here on Government from Work. This is our text for close reading. We use this every single day. You're going to go click here to no to the customization, and then you can go through a lot of the stories and passages that we're reading inside of class. Another feature though, if you go here to menu, our assignments. This is how I will assign homework, and if it has an X on it, that means it has not been completed. So I'm going to go here to this balloon pop. It's going to come up with this screen. Please click on here, open. Please be aware though, a lot of times it will not work because of a pop-up blocker on your web browser. A lot of times it'll come up here or down here to show it's blocked. Go ahead and click allow. It is safe and it just allows the game to come on up. And as you can see, it's loading. The games are word builder, matching, and balloon pop, and a couple other ones, but they're pretty easy to play. If you hit play, we're looking for the long A sound. Stay A. Okay, so pop that one. Oh, I missed it. No. Chain. Perfect. Got it.
Chain.
Rain. Got it. Baby. Braid.
Baby.
Snail. Bat. Oh no, not bat. Hey, A. Yes. Ah! Got it.
Hey.
Pack. Sat. Oh, I'm done. Okay, 31 seconds and I'm done with the first one. Then go to the second game. Hit play and you do the same thing. Bat. It's a short day. Okay. Tray. Alright.
Tray. Mail.
Sack. And let's say I'm gonna do one wrong on purpose. Oh man, train.
Train. Brain.
And then it ends. It shows 1 minute and 45 because I had to pause the video to someone came at my door. So pretty simple. Once they're done, it'll show done here. It'll show completed status. It'll show a check mark. So if please ask them questions about what they're reading and ask them to show you. Feel free to allow them to play with it and to read as many stories and passages that they like. And hey, if they want to even try a 3rd grade text, something that they're going to read next year, they can totally do that too. All right, have a wonderful day. If you have any other questions, please message me.